Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Geek channel. Today I'm going to start a new series in which we will talk about various cost opportunities in AWS. In today's video, we will talk about a very interesting problem. If you are working in a company which uses AWS Cloud, you must have a mechanism to clean up stale Lambda log groups because Lambda log groups are never deleted on deletion of a Lambda function if you are deleting it manually. So if you ignore this, these log groups will keep on increasing and it will end up costing a lot in AWS. And also it will keep compounding unnecessarily. To give you just an example, I have seen more than 10 to 12,000 Lambda log groups lying stale in VPCs where no cleanup is implemented. So in today's session, we will write a Lambda function which will delete all the redundant Lambda log groups. And in the next part of the video, we will create a Cloudformation template to create an event rule to weekly trigger this Lambda function so that our solution is fully automated. So without any further delay, let's start the implementation. So I'm going to use Python because it's very easy to write Lambda functions in Python. So I'm going to create a project in IntelliJ. I'll call it AWS Cost Opportunities. Python 3.8. Now we have created the Lambda client. Now what we are going to do, we are going to iterate through every page and we are going to save all these existing functions in a set. Now let's run the function. So we have 270 functions in our US West 2 region. Now in the next step, we need to list down all the Lambda log groups. And from those log groups, we need to extract the function name. If that function name doesn't belong to our existing functions, we will just delete that log. Okay. So let's go ahead and create a client for logs. function is working, let's make our function more generic. We will accept more than one regions from environment variable, and we will call our function for all the regions which are passed from the environment variable. I'm doing this because let's say if you have one AWS account which has multiple regions, so you can pass all those regions from the environment variable. So, all right, folks, that's all for this session. Hope you learned something new. And in next session, we are going to create a Cloudformation template to create the event rule. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in next part. Till then, bye bye and take care.